Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be creating a makeup look for prom. First I'm starting off by filling in my brows with the Sigma Brow Pomade in the shade Medium using the Sigma E75 angled brush. A quick tip: if your brow pomade or gel eyeliner dries out, you can easily rehydrate it with some oil primer. I'm cleaning up the bottom edge of the brow to make it nice and sharp using the Plouise base in shade 0.5. This is an eyeshadow primer, but it's great for covering any straggling hairs, so that's why I also use it for carving out the brows. Once I've pressed it in to be smooth with my sponge, I'm dipping into the Sigma Ambiance eyeshadow palette. This is a must-have neutral palette, great for any occasion. I'm picking up the light brown shade called Bask and sweeping this in the crease using the Sigma E35 brush. The shades in this palette can be really pigmented, so I'm only picking up a little product at a time until I achieve my desired color payoff. Since I'm going for a really soft and diffused cut crease, I'm taking the same brush that I used to carve out my brows and whatever bit of Plouise that might be left on it and cutting the crease to give myself a blank canvas on the lid. After that, I'm applying the shimmer shade called Firefly to the lid with the Sigma E55 brush. Now I'm going in with the medium brown shade called Enrich on the Sigma E45 brush and sweeping this into the lowest part of the crease, right above the shimmer shade, just to define the crease some more. Now that we're done with eyeshadow, I'm drawing on some winged eyeliner. I'm using some gel eyeliner by Sigma to make the wing smudged and smoky rather than using liquid eyeliner, which would create a super defined look. I'm cleaning up the outer edge of the wing with some concealer to sharpen it, and then I'm starting on my face makeup. I'm priming with the Laura Geller Hydrating Spackle Primer, and then I'm applying the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation in the shade 1N using a damp beauty blender. Once I've blended that in, I'm applying the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer underneath my eyes. This is very full coverage and only takes a few small dots. After that, I'm pressing on some Hourglass Veil Setting Powder using a slightly damp sponge to set that in place. Now to add some depth and dimension to the face, I'm contouring with the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. I'm applying this to the hollows of my cheeks, the uppermost part of my forehead going into my hairline, and along my jawline. I'm switching my brush to the Sigma E59 brush and applying this along the sides of the bridge of my nose as well. To help blend the contour and add a little sheen to the skin, I'm applying the Buxom Hot Escapes Bronzer in Maldives to the same areas that I contoured. Next, I'm highlighting the highest points of my face with the shade called Flare from the Sigma Glow Kissed palette. I'm also adding a bit of this to the center of my lids and the inner corner of my eyes. For blush, I'm using the cor-de-rosa shade from the cor-de-rosa blush palette, and then I'm spraying my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray to make sure everything stays in place all day long. I'm also setting my brows with the Sigma Clear Brow Gel, and then I'm drawing another wing using the Sigma Gel Eyeliner on my bottom lash line, creating a double winged liner look. After that, I'm curling my lashes, applying the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara, and popping on the Ardell Mega Volume Lashes in the style 259. To take things up a notch, I'm adding a few small pieces of chunky glitter to the inner part of the eyeliner on the top of my lid, and then I'm applying mascara to my bottom lashes. Finally, I'm applying a lip plumping trio by Buxom to my lips. First, I'm lining my lips with the Plumpline lip liner in Incognito. Then I'm applying the Full Force Plumping lipstick in the shade Fly Girl. And to top it all off, I'm adding the full-on plumping lip gloss in the shade Irish Coffee. And that completes this prom makeup look. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!